Alright, first test vlog with the DJI Action 2. Let's see what we can get. Sweet baby. Impressions so far using the Action 2. I really like how small it is and how convenient and reliable. It's just super simple to use, and I haven't seen the image quality yet, so that's going to be something to look at later, but so far I love this little camera. And for context, we're in Sonoma County in California, and we're out to look for food right now and then go to a winery. There, looking around, making friends. Say hi. This is how we entertain the baby while waiting for our food. So we got the seasonal vegetable sandwich, which looks amazing. Look at all that goodness in there. Comes with a really nice salad. And then we got the pain perdu, which is like a French toast.
Yeah, for some kinds. I think in France they have way more French toasts than we know about, so they make all kinds of other ones that have names.
And then pommes frites, because why not? Oh, good pommes frites.
Yeah.
Well, it's November in California, and this weather is just amazing. And this is really why we're down here in California, because in Washington, this is when the weather really starts to get pretty awful. It's really cold and wet, and yeah, it's a big contrast here in California instead.
Is that name after a real person?
It's an Australian thing.
Okay.
Like they call the women down in Australia called Sheilas.
Oh, interesting.
Well, I guess they also call them Jill.
Oh, okay.
And because the twisted vines up here, it just became Twisted Jill.
Got it. You know that you can't stand it. When he is playing, he's very happy, giggling, but as soon as he sits still, he starts crying.
So we're going to do our Pinot. This is Tina's vineyard. It's Russian River Pinot. Oh, I got you a little Meritage going there. So this is going to be our most French style, most European style. You can see it's pretty light. And what I have is, I also have our Calandrelli open, so after this, in fact, what we'll do is I'm going to use this glass. I'm going to pour the Calandrelli, and you just do a quick side-by-side.
Okay.
You get the idea between a traditional French Pinot and then more of a California tannins and more complexity type Pinot. So let me go grab that.
That'll be interesting.
All right, trying to try this wine. Ooh, I like that. It's really nice.
What do you think, Julian?
What do you think? I see you smiling. I'm curious. You can't even drink water yet, baby. You want to drink milk.
Smooth, nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah, very nice.
All right, well, we finished up our little wine tasting experience. Really excellent wines at this little winery here. And now we're going to take a little walk through the orchards and the vineyards. And I actually noticed that the Action 2 is at about 10% battery, so it's on its way out, which is actually perfect. So this is probably going to be the last little clip of this little vlog. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So far, I'm really enjoying using this little camera just to capture, you know, little moments and clips throughout this little family vacation. You notice that they're kind of just everyday clips from our trip today, but it's really nice to be able to preserve the memories and do it in a really small camera that doesn't stand out. It's been so easy just to have it with me and take it out just to capture a few clips during the day. And so I really like the size of this camera, and we'll have to check out the sound quality and image quality later on and draw conclusions from there. All right, one more test. This is the DJI Action 2 in the dark. This is the quality. It is extremely dark. It's actually a little unfair for any camera. Even full frame cameras would probably suffer in these conditions, but this is what it looks like, the image quality and also the stability. I do want to show you one thing though. If you were to add an external light, this is a lume cube with a little diffuser on it. So adding an external light for the Action 2 or a GoPro or a full frame camera or a smartphone, really any camera, this is going to make a huge difference in your image quality. So I would recommend using an external light whenever you can, but if you don't have one, then this is what it looks like as a reference point. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for following along on my little vlog test of the Action 2 today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're trying this new raw style that's unedited, and hopefully will give you an idea of what the camera can do without someone going through and, you know, adding their own edits to the footage, to give you an idea of what the camera is like. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any questions. I will be doing lots of follow-up videos on the Action 2, but this was just a way for me to get some test footage, and I'm sharing it with you because you might find it helpful, just like I'm going to find it helpful. But yeah, leave me a comment below, subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next video.